Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if this is your very first time of seeing any of my videos, thank you very much for stopping by, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always coming back, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with those you feel that might benefit from this. Now on my YouTube channel, I try to point people to the right direction of how they can get affordable schools and also get grants and scholarship if they have the intention to study abroad. Now, on today's focus is going to be on a particular website called Nava. This is a Polish national agency for academic exchange. This website, I've actually known this website for a while I was still back in Nigeria, and one of the times those times I was actually looking for like scholarship abroad and the rest of it, I actually stumbled on this particular website. But unfortunately that time application has ended then, so I was unable to apply for this scholarship. Then fast forward to when I got to Poland and I'm studying, I saw people who actually benefited from this program. In fact, I studied with many of them even in my department. So although I actually hesitated to actually make this video about this website for a very long time because I understand and I know how difficult it is at the moment for people living in Africa to actually secure appointments at the Polish embassy. However, the good news is that if you are a recipients of any scholarship from Poland, it is always easier for you to get appointments. In fact, like I heard, because I've actually had like an informal conversation with some of these recipients from Africa, and they said they never faced this difficulty of securing appointments. So apparently, the school probably mailed the embassy directly and sent their names. All they needed to do was just go present themselves and go through the interview process. So do not be scared to actually give this a try because you never can tell how it will turn out for you. Like I know people legitly, like physical people that I know who actually benefited from this Nava. And the beautiful thing about this is that you get all expense paid. Like even till you graduate, you get all expense. And like every criteria in every scholarship, you have to maintain a particular CGPA. And many people that I know that are recipients from of this particular program, many of them graduated with distinction. So let's not waste time and let's really dive into this. Now, this website, like I said, is actually a Polish website which uh, translates to the Nava, which we see this is actually pronounced as Nava. You can see like Nava here because the Polish W is actually sounded like V. But anyway, we're not actually having a Polish class right now. So this is Nava. It is pronounced Nava. And here it's like a government agency, government's website, like agency, and they really give out lots of grants and scholarship to many international students. So if you're actually looking at securing scholarship to study abroad, maybe for your bachelor's or for your master's or for your PhD, always make you have to make this website your friend. You have to like literally bookmark this because from here, if you scroll down, you see different calls. You can see register. You have different scholarship here. Like for almost all the scholarships people get in Poland, this is actually where they advertise it. So always come to this website to check it from time to time. You never can say you might be fortunate. But I actually want to talk about I saw one program which relates to international people, which relates to everybody respective of your country of origin. And that is why I decided to make this video. And I'm like, oh, you never can say somebody may actually be very lucky to see this and then apply and they may actually be chosen, right? So there are a lot of them. Just take your time. Please go to this website, nava.gov.pl, which is nawa.gov.pl. It's a very short website, um, um, web address, and you can go there and check out different um, call for applications that are available. Of course, you may not qualify for everything because there are some of these ones that are targeted to a particular set of people from a particular region, and yes, you just need to go through and read. But this particular one actually more is for PhD people. If you are looking at, like, you have a doctoral degree, you're into research and field work, this is actually for you. So navigate to the programs, and I want to go to the current on recruitment ongoing, meaning that this is actually ongoing. It has not expired. Means that if you apply now, you can still get in, and this is the recruitment stage. So like I said, go through all these are like recruitments, for different program, for different scholarship. Just check them out, and if read their requirements, and if you feel like you're a good fit for it, please by all means apply. But I'm going to go, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go to this particular one, this Ulam Nava. I'll click on it now, and then let's see what is written there. Now, this says the aim of the program is to increase the internalization of Polish universities uh, and specific institutions, sorry, scientific institutions. The program will allow outstanding scientists with at least a doctoral degree to come to Poland for a period of 6 to 24 months, which means 6 to 2 years, who will strengthen the scientific potential of Polish institutions of higher education and science, and will join in scientific activities conducted there, primarily research programs, projects, and teaching activities. Within the program, it will be possible to invite researchers from abroad, regardless of age, field represented, or country of origin, including Polish scientists working permanently abroad. Yeah, sorry, I'm saying double. I had a very stressful day. So yeah, so this particular scholarship is actually targeting to everybody. So if you are somebody who is actually into research work, you're into field work, you have a doctoral degree already, and you are looking at probably like trying to expand your field, your knowledge about anything. And the beautiful thing about this scholarship is that it doesn't have to be science, like it doesn't have to be in a particular field. It has to be like very broad. Like, you test so many things. And the truth is that even in agriculture, in biotech, in fishery, in any type of field of study, you can apply. This is a very beautiful, very beautiful thing. And to know more, say for more information, click on this announcement. It's going to take you to this place. Now, when you click on, let me translate it to English. So you can see announcements, recruitment for this program 2025. And when you click on this, you will see all the requirements, everything. This is actually like, I think you should see it also in English. Oh, I think I saw this in English before. So when you click on it, is oh, this is actually in Polish. Yeah, but I saw the English version before. So anyway, you can always translate the documents and see what is expected of you. Oh, this is actually in Polish. Anyway, you can download it and then translate it and see what is expected of you. And yes, please apply. It is actually ongoing, and information for applicants. So you see the whole information. So yeah, basically this is actually what I want to talk about. You can actually take your time, explore the website. There are lots and tons of scholarships that people can benefit. And if you are actually looking for getting one, please by all means check this out. I recommend it 100%. Like I said, I knew people who actually benefited from this program for like previous years. I was a class of 2024, and I knew people who graduated with me together, and they were recipients of this. And the beautiful thing, their academic was tuition was, fully paid for. They get stipend every month, and they were able to concentrate on their studies and, you know, study and graduated with flying colors. And some of them actually have moved on to, pursue their PhD in different fields. So please do not overlook this if you have the interest or the intention of of going abroad to to expand your field, to gain more knowledge, to you know do more research and field work. And yes, look at, okay, this is still the program. So, who can apply? We invite distinguished researchers from all over the world who hold a doctoral degree in any field. You can carry out your research projects in collaboration with poly scientific institutions. So, conditions and benefits. Duration of study is actually 6 to 24 months. I think we saw it there. Financial support is 11,500 zloty per month. Trust me, this is huge. This is actually a very huge money. I know so many people who earn, this is like literally like 2 to 3 months salary of people who have a very good job here. So if you are getting this every month, this is good. And I'm even considering maybe I should even apply. So this is good, really. And additional benefits. So there is one-off allowance to cover arrival costs and family allowance for those with children. So that means number one, you can actually come with your children. This is really very okay. You can come with your children, right? And they also allow arrival costs, meaning arrival costs, flight money can also be included as arrival costs and every other miscellaneous that's embedded in it. So this is really very good. And like I said, getting appointment for if you are a scholarship holder and you're coming to Poland to study, I am pretty sure that your name will just be sent to the embassy and you will just be given time to come schedule. And the truth is that because if you are a recipient of like any school scholarship or you get any government scholarship, they vetted you. They know that, okay, this person is coming to add value, and this person is coming to learn, and this person is coming to broaden their skills, and they don't have any impediment to keep you back. All they have to go is just go through the security checks, go through the interview process, and then if they find you fit to come to their country, then they allow you come in. But you see this hustle of you looking for appointment dates, going to the website to refresh to check if you're gonna be lucky. It's not gonna be there for you. So this is one of the very good reason why you should give this a try, because it actually eliminates that stress. All you just have to focus on is actually presenting your case, going through the requirements and see that you are qualified. Yeah, this is the English version. So you can see aim of the study. So you go through eligibility, go through what you are expected to do, and then apply. I think for me, I would rather focus on my strengths in making sure I get in here, because once I am called or I am picked, it means that 70% of the job is done already. Yeah, it's done because the school, once they pick you, they send your name to the embassy, they schedule an appointment for you, you bring all the required documents, and then you go. And the beautiful thing again about scholarship is that you don't really need to show bank statements. Right, because the school or the agency, the government will be giving you all the documents that you need. That, okay, they give you documents to cover that. Oh, we are saying that we can pay for this person. We are paying for the person's flights. We are paying for the accommodation. We are paying. Trust me, with okay, we saw about 11,500 zloty per month, which I said is very huge because I live here. And I want to believe, even if they are not giving you accommodation with this, and let's say if you're a single person and you want to stay in a studio apartment, you cannot spend more than 3,000 in a studio for a studio apartment, right? Depending on the city, of course. But if you're like, you can like 3,000 apartments per month, it's really a very good thing. You should like, it's really very good. So you spend it 3,000, and really, no matter how wide you eat, no matter how how big you eat, you can't like spend 1,000 on grocery shopping every month. It's not possible, right? Except maybe you decide to go to maybe you club, you do this, or you just eat out strictly. Then yeah, it's probably gonna exceed that. But if you're shopping, if you're trying to like mix them together, once in a while you go out to eat and then you cook at home, there is no way you exhaust. So that means you can comfortably live on 5,000 zloty, which is like, I feel like I'm over exaggerating it, right? But you can comfortably live on 5,000 zloty, and then, the rest, come on, this is very good money. So please do not sleep on this. I saw this and I was like, wow, this is really very good. And please just go through it, and you can see the application is still ongoing until, I think this is December. I don't know. But please go through this. Okay, yeah, 15th of May. You see, deadline is 12th of May, 2025 at 3 p.m. So that means if you are like, let's say in West Africa, this period, so that means 2 p.m. GMT plus one. That means 2 p.m. of these dates, because um we are the daylight saving thing has taken effect, so that means it's plus one. So please do not miss this little information, and please consider this. And if you have any question regarding this, please do not hesitate to ask, and I'll be in the comment section. Drop your questions in the comment section, and I'll be there to address them as much as I can. But please employ you to actually go through those websites yourself. It is nava.gov.pl. This is nawa.gov.pl, and explore the websites. From time to time, they release different type of scholarship. Check them through and through and see if you qualify for any. Please, if you find my videos helpful, please do not forget to follow me. Give me a thumbs up, like my videos, share with friends, and also ultimately subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you want me to talk about any other schools or maybe some scholarship that you are interested in, also drop it in the comment section and I'll try to make video on it. Until then, thank you very much and have a lovely day.